So the data is out today. Existing home sales dip 2.2%, down 16 of the last 18 times. As you can see this chart right here, we had this blip right here in February. I don't know what the heck that was. And then this little blip right here. But essentially, existing home sales, 2.2%, 16 of the last 18 months. So in this video, we want to talk about what does existing home sales do to prices of houses, right? And could it lead us into a recession? I have a couple cool charts that I want to show you in this video, and what we can do as real estate investors, real estate wholesalers, to position ourselves for what's coming, or just be ready for what's coming down the road. So if you do me a favor, please click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of these future videos that we put out. All right, so let's talk about right here, what does existing home sales do to home prices? Now, I got this great chart that was by Game of Trades. Now, you can check out Game of Trades on YouTube. You can just search them there. They have great information about the stock market. They did a video on housing, so I appreciate them providing this data. Essentially, what this is, existing home sales, and you got the U.S. median home price right here. So you can see existing home sales in roughly 2007 started to decline, and then you see what happens to home prices. So as existing home sales decline, you'll see home prices decline as well, because there's a direct correlation. Now, you see this is the COVID dip right here, because everyone froze up, but it really didn't impact houses because it was such a short period of time. And then you can see now, here's where we are. We have a massive decline, 16 months, and it will eventually, you see a lag right there that comes down. It starts to come down right here. And then you start to see home pricing start to come down as well. So we'll start to see, as this continues to decline, we'll start to see the home prices continue to decline in the area. Now, the other question becomes, what does it do for when it comes to recession right here? So we have this gray areas are recessions right here. And then this is existing home sales. You can see there's a decline here in existing home sales. It led into recession. That was in 2008, 2009. We have existing home sales right here that started to decline. That led into the 1989, 90s, 91, 92 recession. We have over here, we had existing home sales decline, led into the 1980s recession. Back over here had home sales decline, led into this recession. Existing home sales decline in 1977. So historically, you can see that as existing home sales sharply decline, it leads into recessions. So what happens is, this is just one data point, of course, but there's a lot of different variables when it comes to existing home sales, home pricing. And I believe that, and there's other data points that support that there in the future will be more decline in home prices. And for what we do as real estate investors, real estate wholesalers, it's almost like knowing that Nordstrom's has a huge, 40, 50% off sale. Do you go in and start buying now, or do you wait till the sale? Now, if you look at a couple different things, like Warren Buffett is at his largest cash position in the history of his career, right? He's sitting on more cash now than he ever has before. Now, if you know how Warren Buffett invests, he waits till there's a sale. He waits till there's blood in the streets, quote unquote, Warren Buffett, and then he'll come in, he'll get smoking deals. And that's how he does incredibly well over the years. One of the best investors in the world. He waits till Nordstrom has the sale. He doesn't buy now. He's patient and he waits. Now, you're familiar with The Big Short, Michael Burry. If you watch that movie, great movie. What he did was he bet against the housing market in and made billions of dollars. Well, he just initiated another bet in the market, and he bought put options on SPY in the Qs, basically a betting against the market, roughly about 1.6 billion or 92% of his portfolio. Now, it could be derivatives and options, the way they're pricing and what they control is a lot of bit different, but essentially it's a big bet against the market that the market's going down. So what's coming in the future? What does that mean for us as real estate wholesalers? First off, you got to know, right, in this market, when cash buyers leave, you got to learn how to sell to retail buyers. Now, we sell all of our properties to retail buyers. We list all of our properties on the MLS. We're 100% transparent with the sellers, and we sell all of our properties. And we're making more, about $15,000 to $30,000 more per deal doing this than we would selling to cash buyers. Now, we have a live event coming up here next week. There's a link in the bio. We're going to break down the 7-step process that we use to essentially sell our wholesale properties to retail buyers. Now, for us as a wholesaler, we are is the perfect niche going into a recession, right? Going into a declining home prices, going into a distressed situation, because we as real estate wholesalers, we help distressed sellers turn their properties into cash. That's what we do. So when the market's awesome and the market's going up like crazy, it's difficult to do what we do because the percentage of distressed sellers is really thin, right? Might be 1 or 2%. But as that percentage opens up, where it's 4, 5, 6, maybe 10% of the home sellers out there are essentially distressed, now our phone rings off the hook when it comes to our sellers, and we can help them out of their situation and turn their properties into cash. Now, that's why when it comes to what we do, real estate wholesaling, it is a great niche to be in. Like, I wouldn't be, buying a bunch of houses right now. I wouldn't be buying a bunch of Airbnbs right now. Obviously, it depends if they're smoking deals. I wouldn't be doing a bunch of subject twos right now. I wouldn't be buying a bunch of apartments right now. I'd be like Warren Buffett, be patient and sit on cash and wait till Nordstrom has the sale and be able to come in and be able to get some smoking deals on some properties and build a portfolio very, very quickly. So hope this helps. If you want to learn more about what we do, just click the link in the bio. Join us on the live training next week. We'll show you how to wholesale properties to retail buyers. Otherwise, go out there and crush it. Take care. God bless. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs.